In these cases, the building is telling us a story. And if the story it's telling us is it's cracked, it's broken, it's moving down the hill, it's very common that the builder will point the finger at its own subcontractors.
Developers and builders often think it's about money and how can they get away with putting up a cheap property or walking away from problems. And for me, it's about how to hold those responsible for really putting somebody's savings at risk responsible and making them come to the table and do the right thing.
Our job is to make sure they don't get away with it.
People buy homes and they have a 20 or 30-year mortgage. You don't expect that home to be falling apart within 4 or 5 years of after you've bought it. When you start getting someone who doesn't take responsibility for their own actions, that's when we smell a rat, and that's when we push hard to hold them responsible.
We understand that this is perhaps the most important event going on in your life. We understand that your investment in your home is one of the most significant investments you're likely to make. We understand how vital all of this is to you, and we take that charge to represent you and to help you very seriously.
The nature of construction defects is complex. It's not something that is always obvious to the visual eye.
You can't see through walls. You weren't there during the construction process.
There's minimum building code standards that builders are supposed to build to make sure that homes are safe, to make sure that they retain their value over time, and that people can actually live and enjoy their homes. And construction defects are things that get away in that. They're leaky roofs or windows that are failing, or if you have bad soils that shift and actually cause the foundation of your home to crack and fail. Those are real construction defects that need to be addressed pretty quickly.
The unfortunate fact of life is that builders and their insurance companies don't want to pay fair settlements. What they want to pay is the smallest amount of money possible to make the case go away.
You're dealing with a trade and an industry that has its own language. When you talk to engineers, you talk to architects, you talk to contractors, you talk to subcontractors, they have their own language on everything from the way things are measured to the way things are put together to the way things should be done. And if you don't speak the language, if you don't speak the lingo, you're going to be at sea. You're going to be lost.
We're trial lawyers, and that if we're not willing to try the case, then the other side isn't going to respect us.
The fact of the matter is, if you try cases and win them, you get better settlements.
95% of the cases that we get settle before they get to trial. It's the same as any other law firm. The difference is that we're able to settle for top dollar because they know that we are willing and able to try the case and we can beat them. That's the only way. That is the only way when you do the type of work that we do when you are a true trial lawyer. The only way that you can get 100% of what you are owed and what you are due is that the other side respects you and knows that they have to pay that or they're going to face something worse at trial.
We win our cases. I don't mean to be immodest, but the fact of the matter is, over the last 30 years, we haven't lost a single plaintiff's construction defect case that we've taken to trial, and we've taken a lot of them to trial.
The team at Burg Simpson that focuses on construction defects is doing only that. They're not distracted by doing another case involving a different area of the law on one morning and then a construction defect that afternoon. Once the homeowner has decided that they need to get advice, they need to get help from somebody that's competent and professional in the area.
You really need to look deep into the qualifications and the track record that the law firm has and the lawyers have.
It's important to choose a lawyer who has the years of experience that the team at Burg Simpson does.
You know, I've been doing construction defect litigation for almost 30 years, and it really is a complex area. You do need a lawyer that understands the complexities, both of the engineering and the architecture behind this.
The best lawyer is the one with the track record, with the actual reputation, and is known in the community for actually having been successful in both winning trials and in settling cases.
Our team of lawyers over the last 30 years have obtained jury verdicts in favor of homeowners in excess of $100 million.
The most important thing is that Burg Simpson is 100% committed to the client.
We never ever let the case become about the lawyers. It's not about the lawyers. It's about the clients and standing up for their rights and making sure that those rights aren't trampled by insurance companies and builders who could care less. All they want to do is walk away.
We have the reputation as trial lawyers. We finished the fight.
You know, I once had a defense attorney describe what it's like to have us on the other side, and they said it's like being on a train track and you see the bright light coming straight at you and you know it's coming.
What we really can give is the hope that this can be fixed. There is a way out and we can remedy this.